Hey everybody, welcome to a brand new episode of the Totally Tim Show. I'm Totally Tim, I'm your host. Today we're going to be working on the sawmill, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this little piece we had left over from the other day, and we're going to turn it into stickers so that all that wood that we cut up on the last episode, we'll be able to stack it up and make it really nice, let it dry out, and we'll be able to spray it. So stay tuned for that episode, because I'm going to show you guys how to make sure that your wood is safe if you're going to air dry it. So let's get started. We're going to cut this into stickers, 1 inch by 1 inch, and go from there. Now that we have these cut to thickness, the thickness that we want, we're going to go ahead and raise our stops, flip them on the side, and we'll just cut them down into the stickers. There we go. Okay, so now that we've cut our stickers, or we've cut quite a few stickers, these are just, stickers are basically, they lay in between boards. So when you're stacking all your boards together, you just lay these in between so you get some airflow in between them. I'm not going to cut these down any farther because I actually want these 1x3s that for a different purpose, but I do have quite a few of these stickers, so let's get started and get this wood stacked up. Kind of a marking tool so I kind of know where I'm at. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to go ahead, I've got this pine over here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut a couple of pieces, 3 or 4 of them anyway, down to about the size of the stack. These are going to be on the ground, so because these are just raw pine, they'll work really well. Pine is a sapwood, so it has lots of sap in it, so it'll kind of help protect it. So let's get the old Husqvarna started up and cut some wood. All right, now we've got something to stack our wood on. Let's get to stacking. This is our stack of wood. This is what we got from that one log, that huge 24-inch or whatever it was log. A lot of great lumber came out of that log. We made our stickers and whatnot. So this is the beginning of a brand new shed. Hey everybody, thank you for watching today's episode. That pretty much wraps it up for today. We sure appreciate you guys being here watching us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications of future episodes that are coming up. And we'll see you guys on the next project. Stay tuned, it's gonna be awesome.